All right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing, everybody. We're going to do a sort of an unboxing and evaluation of this new fly rod that you saw me buy at Shields. So let's watch the intro. All right, so this is the box. Okay, I haven't taken it out of the packaging. We'll look at that in a second. But TFO is the company that makes it. It's an NXT black label. Now, it's got some information on the back of this thing, and I've never owned a fly rod in my life. So there was another customer there that actually was uh, helping me choose a fly rod, and he owns quite a few, and he says TFO um, actually stands behind their stuff. So if anything breaks with it, they'll fix it or replace it, and it's just, you guys know that's really, 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 really important to me. So it has a stainless steel reel, cork grips, and this is a 5 weight, 9 footer, 4 pieces, and so let's. I have not taken it out of this really nice case. It's a hard case right here, and I haven't taken it out yet. So let's, now the neat thing too, it's got like a sheepskin inside to really protect the reel. And so let's take it out. Haven't done it yet. So this is a hard case, all right? It's not soft. And it comes with a nice strap that you can adjust, and really nice. I like the sheepskin inside. Figured that, the protection. So this is the base, and this right here, this cork, it is cork pieces that are glued together, and it gives you a better grip when it's wet. So really nice. Now, I don't know a lot about these things. Okay. So it does have, this is your drag right here. And I guess you can use this in salt water. You just gotta clean it up afterwards. It's got a double ferrule screw down on the bottom to really hold that, to lock your reel in place, which is really, really nice. You've got your hook keeper, and it's a really nice black graphite. Um, Very nice, actually. Got a very, when you look at the windings and stuff and the gluing, it really does tell you the story. Now, this particular combo comes all set up with floating line and leader and stuff like that. So I guess it's ready to go. I don't know. I have to go to a local shop. My wife got this for me. So it comes in a little bag here for your other pieces. So let's look at the second piece. Look at the guides. So you got a nice big guide on this. Now I hear, okay, that a larger guide helps your line flow through it a lot better, especially because the floating line is big, it's thick. And then they have these things called snake guides. Snake guides are not like this. They're like a piece of wire that snakes around, and it guides it up and through. So, and again, it's a beautiful black, and you can look at the windings and the gluing on it. Now let's see, do they have like an arrow? No, they don't. So you just have to line it up. So you just line it up. Now, you don't have to put a lot of pressure on this in order to attach it. So it's stuck on there. So it's made in Korea. So let's look at the next segment of my new fishing rod. So this is it. Yeah, they don't put like an arrow on this or a little marker to help you line it up perfectly, but you know, doesn't really need it, I guess. Be handy. So we've got, you know, on the first segment of the guides, you got the large ring guide and then one snake guide, and then you got one, two, three more snake guides on the next segment. Guides are real important in order to get the line to bend with your rod. And this is moderate fast. They say it's a fast, but from what I've seen, a lot of people say it's more in the moderate range, you know. So 9 foot. I've never owned a 9-foot rod in my life. And the last segment's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 snake guides, and of course the last guide. Now the nice thing is, again, the last guide. Let me take that off. The last guide is rather large. Again, with fly fishing, you have 3 different lines that are tied together, and they're tapered. And my wife, she asks good questions, and she goes, "How do you, how does it cast?" I go, "Well, it's like a whip, in a way, because whips are tapered, and so are fly fishing lines. They're tapered. So when you swing them back and forth and whip it out and roll cast or whatever other types of casts there are, the line has a natural momentum to it because of the tapering of it. And so it is something that, well, I guess it's easy to do. Be watching videos. So you guys will be going on an adventure with me, because I have to learn how to fly fish. Now, I do have some flies. I traded some baits for some hand-tied flies with a gentleman back east, and so I have some. So, and this reel is called an NXT Black Label 2. Aye. A very nice case. I mean, it's a great case. So, and then I bought some Sims, Bozeman, Montana, whatever. I guess that's where they are. Bibs, waders. And right down the street, I've got the Link River. So, we'll probably take it down there this week and, see if I can figure it out. And set up the camera. You guys can watch me try to figure it out. And but it's an adventure. It's an adventure. I mean, trout fishing is big here, and my bass season's pretty much over. So we're going on to the next realm of trout fishing, and then ice fishing, then trout fishing, and then bass fishing, and then trout fishing. So I can almost fish year round, almost. We'll see. So anyway, kind of a neat thing. And Shields, that's a crazy big store. Watch that other video. I'll put it at the end. I'll put it up here. The Shields video. I mean, it's got a Ferris wheel in it, and airplane, and mountains, and is crazy, crazy big. So take care, everybody. Tight lines to you, and I got a lot of videos coming up. I've been out of town, obviously, because I was in Nevada for about for 4 days, and we'll get caught up here. Take care, everybody.